All right, guys. Here's how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And if you live in Nigeria, you want to start making money online, you want to start working online, here's a good way you can start. So, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you quickly how to get started on StakeCut. It's free number one affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria where you can start earning in dollars. All right, so what you have to do is just to go over to your browser, any browser you're using, whether Google, Chrome, or whatsoever. But me, I'm using Opera. So sweet. All right, so I'm over here in Opera. So what you're going to do is to search for stakecut.com. Stakecut.com. My login session has expired. StakeCut.com. So because I already have an account with this, so there's no need creating an account. But if you don't have an account, you can just hit here and say sign up. You put your first name, your last name, put your email address, and then your password. Well, I already have an account, so I'll just sign in, and my email is already here. Then I'll sign into my account, straight into my account. I just created this StakeCut app newly. I newly created this app. I newly signed up for StakeCut. I've been working with other affiliate programs. So StakeCut is Nigeria, and I got paid. So if you're afraid of working and at the end not seeing your money, you're not withdrawing your earnings, I withdrew my earnings from this platform. That's why I'm reviewing it for everyone to see. So sometimes it might take up to a minute to load dashboard informations. Well, there's nothing really there. What you will only see there is the earnings. Alright, total earnings is $51.5. So far I've only promoted 2 digital products. So StakeCut is an online marketplace for both vendors and affiliates where you can promote digital products. Mainly products, they are digital products, and you can also see their vendors. All right, so if you want to get know what to do next, is to come over here, come over to this section where you see M. Then when you see M, you click it and you enter your profile. Once you enter your profile, your name is there, last name, your email address. Then you can put in your phone number. You can put in your secondary phone number, that is your second phone number. Then put in your account number, your account name, and your bank name. You can also put in your Twitter handle, but this section of Twitter handle, TikTok handle is not really necessary. So you can also go back if you want to see marketplace. You click over this button, this one here, and that's where you see it. So when you click there, you see affiliate dashboard, you see marketplace, you see top affiliates, you see find contest, approve product. You can also join their Telegram channel. You can subscribe to their Telegram channel and also join the Telegram group here. So just come over here to marketplace. You don't need approval. You don't need to write a request for approval. You don't need to request for approval before you get started. All your links are activated, so you can see here. And this one is Stellar Publishing Guide. And it's cost of $20.85. So if you promote this, you'll be earning around 50% commission. And you can see here, this is a digital product. So we have also this Stellar Publishing Guide is all about Amazon, publishing on Amazon by Abraham Agina. So you can click over here, promote, and when you click promote, you see the JV page. The JV page is a section. This JV page you see here, let me circle it. The JV page you see here is a section where you have all the materials to promote this. So if you cannot create materials, you come over here, get inspiration, or you can use the materials here. Right, this is the product page. The product page is the page that when you send them your link, they will come over to the page. So when you enter here, you will see your link. This place you see copy affiliate link below. Just come here, click this button. You have copied your link already. So let's go over and test the link if it's working. So I'll enter another section of my browser here and paste the link and see if it's working. So voila, see, yeah, this is the sales page. So whenever anybody enters this page through your link and says order now after watching video or reading anything, they will go over to the checkout, the checkout page. When they go over to the checkout page, they can fill in their information. Whenever anybody buys this product, you get 50% commission of $20.85, and 50% commission will be around 10 points. If you know the percentage commission for this, you can drop it down. If you have calculated, I don't have time calculating this. All right, so that is all for that. You have access to other products. You don't need approval, and that is one of the best. Well, that's why I love this platform so much. You don't need to request approval from the vendors. You just once you sign up, you have access to all the digital products here. You can see almost all the products are digital. You can see my affiliate marketing accelerator program. So many products here that you can promote and start making money online. So if you have found this video helpful, you can subscribe to this channel. You can also ask your questions below. Ask your questions down there in the comment section below, anything that you have in mind. And also, if you want to learn how to promote these products from StakeCut and the way I promote my own products to make a lot of money, if you want to learn how to promote this product on StakeCut, then you can just send comment in the section below, and I will tell you what to do. Okay, that's the end of it. Bye.